Hello, I'm Chef Johnny, and this is Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. And today I'm going to be sharing a recipe with you that my family loves. It is our honey whiskey grilled shrimp. It's a fantastic meal. I tell you what, we take some Jack Daniel's sipping whiskey, some fantastic pure honey. We mix those things together, put them on some shrimp and grill them up. They turn out fantastic. So stay tuned and we'll show you how we do it. This shrimp is very easy and very quick to do. Doesn't take very long at all. And if you want to do this on a weeknight, all you'd have to do is have your shrimp ready to go, already on skewers when you got home. So it'll be real quick. First thing I'm going to do is just add a little olive oil to my pan. Not a whole lot. I'll move that around a little bit. Get that ready to go. And I'm going to add my garlic and my ginger to that. And we're going to toast this up just a little bit. Not very long. Want to be careful. Don't want it too hot because it will burn fairly easy. So we're going to put it in there, kind of keep it moving. Now I'm going to add my soy sauce to that. Turn that heat down just a little bit. Got that mixed in good. Now I'm going to put a good squeeze of just whole grain mustard on here. Maybe a tablespoon. That's in there. Keep that stirring, keep that moving. All that's in there. And the next thing is I'm going to put in about a 1/3 cup of Jack Daniel's whiskey. Be careful, this could flambe on you. Let that start cooking down. And then I'm going to take some of my Uvalde honey. And again, maybe a 1/3 cup. Honey's in. And I tell you what, you could use honey whiskey. But if you want that true honey flavor, get real honey. We're going to stir these together. Red chili flakes on top of that. It's stirred in well. Want all this to kind of start cooking together. And then I'm going to get the juice out of one lime. Put that on there, squeeze in my lime. We're going to stir this and just let all the flavors meld together. Get those ready to go. That is looking good. Now I'm going to add some brown sugar to that. About 2 tablespoons packed. And we're going to let that keep cooking just at a low simmer. And we're going to let it reduce some. I'm just going to add a little salt and pepper, not a lot. Drop that in there. This is cooking well. Starting to reduce down. It's getting kind of syrupy. That's what we're looking for. I think that's cooked long enough, so we're going to turn our fire off. It's looking pretty thick. And I'm just going to move the stove out of the way real quick. These are nice big shrimp that we're going to season up here. You can tell it's nice and pasty on there. And we're just going to paint this onto our shrimp. And these are nice big 10, 15 shrimp. So they are great big ones, and they are going to taste wonderful, and they are going to grill up very, very nice. And one thing about shrimp is you don't have to worry about putting sweetness on them. It will not burn on you because they cook so quick. Now I'm going to turn these over, see if we can season the other side. We're going to get this side painted up with our sauce. Now these will be a little bit spicy, but if you don't like that much spice, just back off on the red chili flake and a little bit of the ginger. You can back off on that some too, but this is going to be a very, very good shrimp. And this sauce is going to stick to them wonderfully. We have our shrimp all seasoned up, and we have the sauce on it that's going to be tremendous on there. So now we're going to get these onto the grill and let them cook up. This grill is nice and hot, so we're going to get our shrimp on there. Oh yeah, they're sizzling good. We'll close this down, let it go about 2 or 3 minutes. See if we get these shrimp turned over. Take my tongs here and slide it up under them. Oh yes, look at that. These are looking beautiful. Those shrimp are looking good. Let's close the lid up. Let them go another 2 or 3 minutes. I bet these shrimp are about done, so let's check them out here. I'll flip them back over. See how they look. Oh yeah, they are glazed up pretty on that side. Looks like they are cooked all the way through. Those are looking nice. Let's get them off. Tell you, shrimp are looking mighty fine, looking very good. As I let them cool now, before I plate them up, I'm gonna cool them off some. I'm gonna let you know what we're gonna do here. Move those over to the side, bring this in. And this is just a little gift box that they have at uvalde-honey.com. That's Rudy's website. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put a link down in the description box. So click show more, and you're gonna see a link to their website. And go by, check them out. Check out this Uvalde honey. It's good stuff. Uvalde's the honey capital, it says, of Texas. So show up over there at uvalde-honey.com and check out their products and give them a try. We're ready to plate this now. And I tell you what, those are looking pretty. Before they go on a plate, I'm not going to tell my wife, but I'm going to try one. That shrimp came out great. Got some great Jack Daniel's sipping whiskey in it. The shrimp came out good. The sweetness of that honey came through. Those red chili flakes gave us some heat at the end, and it tastes just fantastic. Let me get this plated up, and we'll let you see how it looks. We have our rice pilaf on the plate, and I'm going to take one of these skewers, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to pull them off all at one time where they kind of stay together. Let them sit up there, and that's a beautiful plate presentation. Looks really nice, and it's going to taste fantastic. Thank you for stopping by Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine tonight. I sure do appreciate it. Now, what I need you to do to win that honey, I got that whole gift bag with one of our Uvalde honeys in it. Go down there and leave me a message in the comments. Comment and say, hey, I would like that gift bag. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a random drawing, and we're going to pick somebody out to get that. So leave that down there in the comments. That'll get you ready for it. And I'm going to leave a link for the uvalde-honey.com. My friend Rudy, I tell you what, he's got some nice products, some nice gifts that you can have sent out to your friends and family, or bring them to the house for yourself. But give this Uvalde honey a try. I think you'll enjoy it. So appreciate that. Remember, leave the comment that you want the honey down below so that you'll be entered. Again, thanks for stopping by Texas Style Cuisine. If you like that honey and bourbon on the shrimp, go down there and give me a thumbs up. I do appreciate that very, very much. Remember to subscribe my channel and click that notification bell so you know when I put up new videos. Tell your friends and your family about us. Let them know what's going on Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. And we're going to see you down the road.
Sitting by the wagon when the sun come up this morning.